Hello there, I'm Jack Pearson with the C-Jack team of Compass in the Hamptons. And today we're looking at a beautiful property, 51 East Hollow Road in East Hampton Village. It's in a neighborhood called Georgica, which is an oceanfront community. So let's take a look. What's interesting about this property is you have a long driveway leading to where the house is on the bulk of the property. And this is what's called a flag lot. And when I moved to the Hamptons, I had no idea what a flag lot was. But here it is to explain to you the flag at the end of the pole. What's interesting about the Hamptons are the gates on these driveways. This one is spectacular. It's out of cocoa wood, designed by Waldo Fernandez, who owns this property. So it really opens up to a surprise, and that surprise is a corridor of bamboo. Phenomenal. What's unique about this driveway is the bend, because once you round the bend, you get the surprise of the gorgeous architecture of Waldo Fernandez. Talk about the ultimate wow factor. The 360-degree infinity pool with this water feature. A gorgeous, gorgeous reflection of Waldo's imagination. The ultimate skyway, connecting the main house to the guest house. And follow me through these lush, lush gardens. And then here we are discovering the peaceful koi pond. Rising up from the waterfall in the garden is the 360-degree infinity pool, beautifully placed to snatch the afternoon sun. So enjoy this oasis, whether you're on the covered porch, the music room, or practicing sun yoga. Loving 51 East Hollow Road in East Hampton Village, the heart of the village, blocks from the ocean, and certainly the birds love it, the ultimate bird bath.